Hey, welcome to Ginny the Pooh. Today, we're looking for birds. Well, I don't see any around here. Just lots of cars going by. Let's look somewhere else. That's the same kind of bird I saw earlier that made me want to start looking at all the birds. I don't know what kind that one is. But he's adorable.
It's that black whatever.
What kind of bird are you? You're adorable.
That's that black whatever thing.
Yeah, I don't know though. I wish you would just say his name. Okay, let me see if I can get some birds. See if we see any birds around. So there's Las Palapas. It's one of our favorite restaurants to come to, and we can get lots of good gluten-free foods here. And the drive-thru is right here for Starbucks. We're gonna go through Starbucks. But Las Palapas is closed on Sundays. Drive-thru, Starbucks. We are in the long drive-thru line.
A long drive-through line?
Mm-hmm. You see? Lots of people here. All right, any birds up there? No birds. Oh, look at those birds. They're soaring. I do believe they are... What are they, buzzards or vultures? Could be either.
No, money back there, money.
Oh, okay, hold on, let me let you get some money. Always gotta jump out and get money. Okay, make sure there's no car whipping around. You see? All right, be careful. Be careful, you're going so far. Hurry. Oh my gosh, I didn't know he's doing that. Thought he was just gonna jump out right there. Well, look at birds and distract myself. Please, no car come around and get my son. Anyway, those are birds way. Let's see if I can. Up there. Driving through the Starbucks. Ooh, look at that. Fuzzies. What fuzzies? Ooh, looks blonde. Anyway.
Around my cuticle area, I got dirt.
Trying to get that nickel out of the ground?
Yes. Yes.
Look at that.
Yes.
I don't understand this hair.
Well, I have a little bit on the front. Darn it.
In the front of what?
My finger.
Well, I have something you can clean that with. I don't know what I'm getting, so let me look at the menu. I got a peppermint mocha frappuccino cream-based, and Tanner got hot chocolate with coconut milk, non-dairy. Drinking up and driving looking for birds. Here.
That's all.
I'm walking right here to see if I see money for you. No birds over here. Be weird if a bird just came plopping over here. Plop, that's my word. Since doing the videos, I've noticed how much I say plop. Oh, be careful on this step. Do you know I say plop a lot?
One.
Oh, you found one. I didn't know.
I can't tell if it's bad. Bad money is pretty darn rare, and bad money is a rare thing to find.
Yeah.
But it's more common now because of COVID, because of the coin shortage. That's probably all over the place and the place.
Lots of birds over here. I hear them. crackle. Oh, look at that tree in front of us. Up there. It looks really weird. That's the way the trees look in the winter. Oh, I love this song. It's one of my favorites. It's such a good song. You want me to roll up the window? Yeah? Is that what you're afraid of?
No.
Oh, baby, you should just tell me.
Not smart at all. This is
What?
I'm a window down right now. On the zoo.
Too many people? I thought with fresh air it was okay.
Those people.
I thought with the fresh air going, like, it was fine. There's too many. It is really packed over here. Oh, look, you could see the Tower of the Americas right over there. You see? There's just like one. There's a lot of birds. Oh, what the heck? I gotta go over there. I gotta go see what those birds were that I just saw. You still feel like there's too much people, Tanner? There's nobody. There's just the one person. These are all parked cars. Do you see? There's nobody in them. You're okay with it down, babe. It's like being at the park or something.
No, I'm done.
Okay, just because of the one person?
No, not wearing a mask.
Oh, okay.
I'm not wearing a mask.
Yeah, we're far away. If we are more than 6 feet away from them, we're fine. If we're going right next to them, I can see like wanting to do that. But if you're more than 6 feet away and you're outdoors, you should be fine, especially. Oh, look at that bird. Should be just fine. Now look at all those people coming. I'll roll up for that, okay?
I'm gonna put on the mask for that one. I was.
Oh, there's a bunch of people coming, so I'll roll up for that one. I like when we come here and there's nobody.
How can you see that girl and that the girl and the other girl and the little boy have no mask on? You can see from there. I couldn't.
I just saw a bunch of people and I was just like, oh, wear a mask. I mean, roll up window. Oh, there goes a crow holding a big old thing of his mouth. I want to see those same ones I just saw, those birds. There's a lot of people here on the Holiday Express.
Wow, what the heck happened to that car? Look at that car. That's really beat up.
Oh, it looked like it got in a wreck.
And that car too.
Oh, I can't even see. It's so sunny.
It's really bad too.
Wow. I did not expect the number of people out here today that I've seen. This is a lot of people. Here we are in Brackenridge Park. It's so pretty. Very, very nice indeed. Indeedio. But there's a lot of people here today. I like it when we come and no people.
I like the one
But
that
look,
came when
Look
we
at that.
came here and saw her, I like that.
Oh,
down
yeah?
there.
Herbie was here?
Yes.
There's birds up there.
And I said that there was actually him. I tried to ask him, that was actually him, and then he just painted like that. And he said it was really him.
I remember, but was it in the parking lot at the zoo? Over there?
And the train.
By the train? Yeah.
Yes.
I was thinking you meant right here. And this, I was trying to remember in here, in this little area, and then I couldn't. And then once you said that, then I remembered seeing that. Yeah, that was fun. So instead of getting out, we just driving through. Although getting out would be great, but a little too congested here today. I don't know.
Of too much. Like I don't want. There's a high risk for people to be like walking around us, like very close to us. I don't want to be anywhere close to
There's
anyone.
some. Yeah, that's true. I was like, there's some parking places right there. But go ahead. Let's see. Look, there's not too many people on that trail. Nobody coming off of there except for that one couple. People on a walk, getting healthy. They're on drives too. Through the park. Ooh, a lot of motorcycles.
And there's like a stick person right there.
A stick person?
Right there. Walking.
A stick person. Oh, look at those old cars in front of us. Look.
I know. I went back in time.
We did. Look at them. Fun. Oh, look. Somebody put up decorations all over. Lollipops and gingerbreads. We did go back in time. Let's catch up with those old-timey timesters. Old-timey timesters. There's the Whitty Museum. Someday maybe we'll go back there.
They're not wearing masks. Oh, they're wearing masks. We didn't go back in time.
Oh. Well, maybe it's back in time, but with masks.
They're not.
The mask back in time. Ooh,
Oh,
look at the whatever kind
I
of.
could be one of them. I could be one of those older ones, like the Spanish flu virus, way back then.
Mm-hmm. Could be one of those. You're correct. All right, we're getting on Broadway.
Alright, okay. If there's a car wash on Broadway, that's gonna mean we went back in time. Oh, we didn't. That's used to be a Sonic, and it's not there anymore.
Maybe it hasn't been built.
Oh. My goodness.
It's so far back in time, it's before. Okay, still looking for more birds. But I'm seeing lots of people that seem like they're not really people. They feel like they're ghosts. People.
I know Whataburger's newer than Sonic. That. So we didn't go back in time.
I don't know. Whataburger is newer than Sonic.
Yes.
What do you mean?
The newer.
They've been around for years. Oh, look at that.
Whataburger's opened in 1950.
There's my street. Pecan. So yeah, we're going into downtown, it looks like. Broadway. I think I need to put in my my regular glasses. I wonder why I do that all the time, where I'm talking and I just make a big old long pause because I can't think of the next word. Wonder if I've done that all my life. I need to be more aware of what I'm saying. So there's a Marriott. What is that? Let's make 2021 the year you start washing your hands. Maddie McMurphy's. Oh, that's the Hilton. And then there's a Hyatt. And there's another Hilton.
Look what's behind us, the car.
Oh yeah, those same ones all the way from the zoo.
Okay, look at those eyes. That looks really creepy on the car. It has eyes and the glowing red.
Oh yeah.
Those glowing red.
Nice.
That's really creepy, that.
That is creepy.
That's really creepy.
I'm getting away from the old-timey cars if I can. If they come turning around the corner. Oh no, they went the other way. Phew, I thought they were going to turn. Look at that old building. That's, oh gosh.
He starts following us.
Mm-hmm.
Very creepy. Following us again. I have a feeling.
Those cars will show up again. Those same ones. Where's that dog? There's the Alamo Dome, not the Alamo. That's a neat view of the... Wish they had the Tower of Americas. I wish we could go up there today, but I don't want to get on an elevator and go up with who knows what COVID style.
It looks very much dead.
Oh, that's the Fairmont Hotel. That's nice. I like the Fairmont Hotel. It's a historic hotel. I don't know what that building is, but it's been there forever. I can look it up and tell you all. Here we are going down South Alamo.
Look at all those scooters. Again, scooter.
Oh, all the scooters are back. That's La Vita.
No, I went back in time to then now, probably. No, I'll be back then.
Now we're back in time to scooter time.
Yeah.
Remember when that was a fancy hotel? I think there's water that goes, like the river goes through the lobby or something. Is that one?
Scooter. And then over there, scooter.
And look at all the people on the scooters. There's the very famous, oh, there's a double-deck bus tour they do here.
What the HE double hockey sticks?
Oh, look, that McDonald's is all closed down. Good. Chipotle, is it closed? No, they have Chipotle.
Yay!
There.
Good. I want every McDonald's to go out of business.
Yeah, this is River Center Mall. And this is, oh, the Alamo's coming up over here. I wonder if the tree is still there. I doubt it. Used to be a morgue, Tanner. And there was a morgue. Because I went on the tour one night of San Antonio History Tour. So what, you can't turn there? Wow. Used to could turn right there. They have it where you can't turn here. Oh, they didn't even do a tree over here this year. They're redoing this whole area. Did they move the monolith thing? Oh, there's the Plaza Wax thing. Wax Museum, Believe It or Not Auditorium. Oh yeah, there's a tiny tree here. It's not a big tree this year. Usually it's a big tree. But there's the Alamo. Woohoo!
I'm in Tomb
Oh no, the
Raider.
monolith's here.
Look at Tomb Raider. I really.
Tomb
Rider.
Raider.
I'm not ride.
I know. Look at it. It was fun, right?
Yes.
Oh. There's the... Is that the post office? No. Federal Building of the United States Courthouse. Oh, okay. Hotel Gibbs. I don't know what that is. Wow.
Check.
Did you see those palm trees
What
right
would
there?
happen if I keep
Weird.
that way? I never.
That way? Whoa.
I got it in Cherry Street.
N stands for north.
Yeah.
That's North Cherry. A bird. Right on top.
And left of my favorite direction is.
I like right. Because I don't want to be left behind. I always like to be right. Da 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 da.
No, right. That's my favorite direction now.
You like to be right, not left. Behind. Oh, we got off of... Somehow I turned onto Nolan. I wondered why this looked different.
Turn right.
I turned somehow because I'm on Nolan. That's weird. Birds are on that billboard. Birds are on that wire. Ooh, downtown looks so pretty. Look at the Frost Bank building. That, oh my gosh, look how pretty it is. That's all reflection from the sun, except for the blue. The blue's the blue sky from the sunset. It's very gorgeous, that building. Oh, it's so pretty. Downtown looks nice. Those geese.
Geese.
A whole bunch of geese just flew over. You probably see it behind us in the sky. I tried to get them. What do you say to that, Tanner? You say thumbs up, put a big thumbs up. If you like this particular episode, put a big thumbs up. A thumbs up, a thumb, uh-oh.